Hey guys, it's Charity, and today we're talking about why training your core is super important. Now, I'm not a certified personal trainer or anything like that, so a lot of things I learned is really through experience or through others. And what I've experienced recently, which was actually last month, was some intense lower back pain. And I'm talking like I had to take a few days off the gym and even off work because it just became so bad. And to be honest, I'm not really sure how it occurred. I do think it might have been just bad form during one of my workout sessions, but one thing I do know is that I have almost zero core strength. And the reason being, honestly, is because I'm super lazy when it comes to training your core or abs. I just really didn't like doing it for a long time, so I never trained it. But the problem with that is a lot of our compound movements rely on our core strength, and so basically the weaker your core is, you become more prone to injury. For example, the squat and deadlift really rely on your core to stabilize your trunk, which therefore limits the movement and helps to protect your spine. So although heavy compound movements do activate your core muscles, isolation exercises are going to be much more effective when it comes to training your abs and core muscles. There was actually a study done by David Delanav, I hope that's how you pronounce his last name. Basically, in this study, he did an experiment where he trained a group of individuals, but unlike his usual routine of including ab and core exercises throughout the workout, he decided to take those workouts out completely and focus on the squat, deadlifts, bench press, things like that. Shortly after, he noticed a lot of these individuals who were training without the ab and core exercises in the workout started to complain about minor back issues and tweaks. But as soon as he started to hear these complaints, he quickly introduced the core and ab workouts back into the routine and noticed that people literally had no complaints with back issues or anything like that. So basically, training your core and your abs are really important, especially if you do heavy lifting, heavy squats and deadlifts. They just really rely on those core muscles because it's definitely not fun to experience any type of injury while you're working out. And so yeah, my workouts have definitely changed. It went from basically zero core training to including it in almost every workout session I have. And honestly, I was kind of scared to lift heavy again. I thought I wouldn't be able to get back to the weight that I was lifting. Now that my core has gotten a little bit stronger, I'm able to lift that weight with no problem. And of course, the aesthetic results that come from training your core and abs is always a plus. But yeah, this is just a reminder for you all, if you're either new to the gym or you've been lifting weights for a consistent amount of time, remember that your core is very important. It's important to do isolation exercises that really activate those core muscles, your abs, your obliques. And even though we might not think we need it, it is really necessary to prevent injuries and optimize our workouts. So hopefully this video is helpful to some of you, and if you liked it, don't forget to hit that like, subscribe for future videos, and I hope to see you guys in the next one.